Have you ever written a letter or an invitation or even done some writing on a poster and thought, there's something missing, that looks really boring. What you need is curly corners. Watch this. Here's some boring writing, and it's just a case of wavy line, mad curls in the corner, and another wavy line. I'll do it again. Wavy line, mad curls in the corner, and another wavy line. And you don't have to be neat about it. Look at this. Mad curls, wavy line. In fact, the faster you do it, the better it is. There it is. And look at that brilliant effect, isn't it? It just sort of finishes your work off and frames it. And you can even colour in some of these blobs. So I'm just going to put that black onto that loopy blob and maybe some black onto that loopy blob there, like that. And if you just shade in all of your loopy blobs, it'll look something like this. Brilliant effect, isn't it? I'll tell you what's great for curly corners. Gold and silver pens. So here it is. Here's some more boring writing. And I think this time, instead of doing an ordinary curly corner, I'll do a 4-finger curly corner. Watch this. It's just a wavy line, 4 fingers, and another wavy line. Try it again up there. Wavy line, 4 fingers, and another wavy line. And that looks good if you just do it in the 2 diagonal corners. So I think I'll just leave it like that. Now, if you really want to show off, and I do, why not do a 2-line curly corner? Try this. There's more boring writing. And I'll just do 1 wavy line with some mad curls and another wavy line, and then do a 2-liner, 1 on top of it. Look at that, another one. And there it is. I'll do one down on this diagonal again. Wavy line, mad curls, another wavy line, and then a 2-liner on top of it, like that. And then you could colour some of these blocks in. Then you could use wax crayon. You could paint them in. That might be a bit fiddly. You could use felt pens, or do what I'm doing here. Just use some crayons like this. Or you could even use gold and silver pen. That'd look good. And when you've coloured in all of those blocks, it looks something like this. Look at that. Try it yourself. Liven up some of your boring writing with some mad curly corners.
Easy! Easy! Line, curly corner, line, curly corner, line. Even I got that right. But perhaps I shouldn't have used a white pen.